Okay, so this used to be an open archway, and so we closed that up, put a barn door in with a matching type of door. Floor goes in, it's a heated floor, large format tile. Notice this vanity, this is a Vogue 3-piece vanity. Lighted mirrors, matching shelf, beautiful lights. And this vanity has all kinds of whistles and bells on it. All these drawers have got some kind of detail to it. It's quite nice. You'll notice power in the back. Things plugged in, keeps everything off the counter. Notice that wall hung at nighttime that comes on because it's on a light sensor. Beautiful soaking tub. We really like this slipper style too. We think that's a very, and the slope back on that to sit in. A lot of people find that to be super comfortable. And then notice the transition of the shower. It's slope, barrier free in the front. A floating seat, infinity drain. Notice how the drain is end to end. Doesn't have any weird, funky, ugly tiles on there. Notice how that back piece is set. Takes some work to get that to look like that. Multi-head faucet. We just got through talking about the faucet. Nice flow to that. Shower niche. Hang on that. And there you go. There is a beautiful master bathroom.